Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Back in my EV. The last few vlogs have been on the motorcycle. Hope you enjoyed them. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to check out the previous videos, especially the Goa trip. And hit that like, subscribe and share button. We have a big surprise coming up this weekend. Hopefully you guys would be surprised. Whenever we say surprise, it's usually deliveries, but this is not. So guess in the comment section. It has something to do with Shriman. Only I in the group actually know decently. Maybe one or two have slight hint, but since we both are into YouTube, since we plan how the videos come out little ahead of time, this is something that we planned. I'm just heading out to the Ducati showroom to check out the V2. Hot V2. ऐसे नहीं है खरीद करने के लिए, but जाके देखना है. Whenever a new bike releases in town, we have to see it. Unfortunately, couldn't go with Rochi and Suju or any of the other gang members, but want to see it. And hopefully it's still there in the showroom. If it's not, it will be a bummer. Meeting at our first home, the Triumph showroom. Shriman will be parking his car and then we'll head out to the Ducati showroom. Check out the V2. Mostly after that, maybe go to our usual place, my home Avatar, along with Atya. That's our routine. And I have a new package at Shiva's place. Shiva, now because he's a BMW owner, we can buy common accessories and we both order some stuff and the package has arrived. So we need to go pick it up. And Shiva has given his bike for PPF coating, I guess. PPF paint protection film. So we need to pick that bike. Either Shriman or I will ride it to Shiva's place. And we'll collect the bags, chill and then head back home. That's the plan for today. See you at the showroom. Hey guys, here we are at the Ducati showroom as you can see in the background. Excited for the V2. Let's go and see. Ooh, that's the V2, man. That's the V2.
And now the trick part, because it's the only BS6 on 1100. So in stock you have BS.
Just wanted to check with you. So you have already sold one of these?
Yes, we already sold.
And this is retailing for 21 on road. 0.3 on road here in Hyderabad. So there's only BS6 here right now?
Yeah.
So that's a BS4 Diavel, another BS4 Diavel, there's a Monster 821 and a Scrambler 800. These are the BS4 vehicles that are available for sale. V2, this is like they should have just named it Baby V4. Looks so good. Chalo, time for the B-roll. This is the normal posture, right? Like full on.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడడానికి ఇట్స్ నార్మల్,
Yeah.
బట్ వెన్ యూ సెట్ యుల్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
Hey guys, after the Ducati showroom, me and Shriman were just had some coffee. He had the black coffee and his dabba wala.
Tiffin box, the world famous tiffin box.
Dabba wala, and he is on the 1250.
1250 GS. Be specific.
Fresh from Always Drive. Need to drop the vehicle at Shiva's place. Aditya is coming. 6:30 p.m. Late. He's busy with someone special. He's not telling.
A few moments later.
Look who we have here.
హలో గైస్.
మనకి ఇంట్రో చెప్పరు అంతే.
అరే
మర్చిపోతాడు ఎప్పుడు. ఇట్స్ ఓకే, వి డోంట్ నీడ్ ద ఇంట్రో.
గ్యాప్ ఇరా,
వి డోంట్ నీడ్ ద ఇంట్రో. ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
గ్యాప్ రాతే ఓడిస్తాడు ఇంట్రో అయినా.
ఏ మా దాంట్లో ఇఫ్ యు వాచ్
హే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ యు ఆర్, వాట్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్,
వాట్ ఎవర్ వదిలేరు బాత్రూమ్ లో ఉన్నట్టు చైతన్య. అండ్ మనం ఎప్పుడు మినిమం ఏదో ఒకటి క్యారీ చేయాలి.
వెనకాల పెట్టి అన్ని తీయాలి. ఇప్పుడు
వెనకాల
తీస్తారా మీకన్నా ఎక్కువ.
ఓపెన్ చేయి. రత్నదీప్, మిస్టర్ రత్నదీప్, దట్స్ ఆదిత్యస్ న్యూ నేమ్. Two bars, energy bars, sugarcane juice with some really good old Madras baking company banana bread. ఇంకా మన కోసం కొంచెం హాట్ ఉండాలి కదా, స్పైసీ బింగో మ్యాడ్ యాంగిల్స్. నో బింగో పొడా చిప్స్ మసాలా. షాప్ పెడతావేంది
అంటే మనందరం తినడానికి రా.
బేసిక్ గా వాడు తినడానికి వాడికి ఆకలి వస్తుంది. నేను రత్నదీప్ పోవాలి అన్నాడు.
అంటే
6:30 PM కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఎట్లా రత్నదీప్ కూడా అంతే.
అంటే ఆఫీస్ తర్వాత ఆకలిస్తుందిరా.
వీడి కార్ లో సామాన్లు ఉంటాయి, రత్నదీప్ లో సామాన్లు ఇక్కడే ఉంటాయి.
మొన్ననే
ఫుల్ కార్ మొత్తం నింపేస్తావు కదరా.
నా స్టేట్మెంట్ చూసుకున్నారా మొన్నే?
బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ రత్నదీపే ఉందా?
అందులో 3 ఉన్నాయి. ఫ్యూయల్, రత్నదీప్, ఫుడ్, అంతే.
బాగుంది. రత్నదీప్ క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ ఉంటే మావాడు బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాడు.
పాయింట్స్ ఏమైనా ఇమ్మంటే ఇవ్వట్లేదురా అసలు. రత్నదీప్ ఇస్ వాచింగ్.
దే గివ్ పాయింట్స్ బ్రో. రత్నదీప్ ఫర్ లాయల్టీ కార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
అవునా? తీసుకుందాం.
నీ నెంబర్ ఇస్తే చాలు, ఏం కావాలంటే
చాలా లాయల్ రా నేను. రోజు 10 సార్లు వెళ్తా.
అక్కడే ఉంటాడు ఆఫీస్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ. ఐ హోప్ యూ కెన్ సీ మై హోమ్ అవుతార్ దేర్. యూజువల్ రొటీన్, me, Shriman, Aditya, Shiva. Hey guys, good morning. That was last night. We actually ended up meeting Chaitanya too. We just hung out for a while. That's what we do usually, hang out for late night chais. This is the bag I was talking about. So God picked this up last night at Shiva's place. So this is the SW Motec Pro City GS tank bag, I guess. There is no unboxing as such. So this is not a waterproof bag, but it has a waterproof liner. This is the magnetic ring which sits underneath this. So the magnetic ring would go there, and it has this tank ring which would basically go here, and the bag would align magnetically. I'll show it to you once it's done, but very premium material. Soft inside, some pockets here, left, right. You can increase this. This is a 11 to 14 liter capacity tank bag. I think this is good enough for my camera, and it has nice pockets on the side. Some stuff here, and it has this Molly setup if you want to tie a phone or something else on top of the bag. Let me install the tank ring, because once that's done it's pretty easy. You might have to unmount few of these bolts. Let's see what's in the bag. So this is the ring that comes. It's basically like this. We'll start the installation and catch you guys. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is remove these 4 screws from the tank ring here. Always good to have the Stanley toolkit. I've linked it in the description. Instructions ready. You get 4 of these small hollow cylinders. They just drop in there. There's no direction for them, they go both ways. So that's the first thing we do. So we drop them there. And then we place this on top. Can tighten these. So once you have the first 2 screws installed at the bottom half, then you put the top magnetic ring on top. Make sure these are aligned, and put these small ones with the screw side on the top side, and then place these 2 on top. So this actually takes the number 8 screw. The ring is done. So this is the bag here, and the advantage with this bag is it can slide into a particular position that you like. Need to fix this ring on top of the bag here and put these screws on. You just tighten it enough so that you can still move the ring, because you need to check it for ergonomics. Okay, just gonna place the tank and see how it fits. So the test right now is to see if the bag's hitting any handles or accessories. It's hitting my phone mount, so need to probably position it differently. The way you pull this is, that's it. And whenever you want to place this, I think I would like this position better. So the magnetic ring is completely the top. So let me tighten this up. Okay. So that's how the tank bag would sit. Whenever I want to unhook this, just pull it forward, take it, fill the fuel. Done. The installation is almost done. You just need to push this cord through the port here. It would come inside this way, and once it's here, you just clip this in and tighten this. That's it. Sits like this. Whenever I want to pull it out, done. If I have to pick one gripe though, finding that magnetic ring is still not perfect. Anyway, that's it for today's video. We have a big surprise coming up. Next video will be that. And in case you're watching this one night time, have a good night. Take care. See you. Bye bye.